Hello everyone, I'm Shalame Mosisa. Today I will showing you the maintenance progress management by using Google Sheet. The Google Sheet is free platform or free website which is used for different applications in place of Excel. So today by using this free platform, I will showing you the maintenance progress of light vehicles. So under these presentations, or this is the platform which is we had prepared for our maintenance in our organizations. I wanted to share our skills and also our experience for yours for your maintenance progress. On this platform, we had prepared three categories. The first one is inspection team category. The second one is scheduling and also workshop category team. And the other one is cost analysis group. And finally, the output or the dashboard of our maintenance progress. Okay, so under the first category, we use this Google Sheet table to record the operators or the requester to maintain his vehicles. His name is recorded here, and we record here the phone number of that operator or driver, and at that time the vehicle kilometer or current kilometer read is recorded here. And by using the Excel formula, we can output the next kilometer. By when we record the current kilometer, the next service kilometer is outputted here. And the vehicle type is write or recorded here. It can be Ford, it can be Toyota, it can be Mitsubishi, and also it can be Nissan. And our client is, it can be from our organizations or it can be from external organizations. So we can select the organizations or our clients. And we can identify that vehicles by code or job order number. We record here the job order number here, and next the plate number is recorded here. The plate number is recorded here, and also the maintenance type is selected here. It can be a PM or preventive maintenance, or it is conditional, or it is corrective, and also autonomous. Other maintenance type can be selected here. Next, our inspector's name is selected here. If the inspector which is inspecting that or each vehicle is recorded here, and also the next, the failure cause which is requested by operators is recorded here. For example, this for 5,000 kilometer service, it can be oil change, it can be free inspections, also inspect electrical brake system, and also other vehicle systems should be inspected here. And another failure cause can be available if the maintenance is it is corrective. So based on the operator's requests, we analyze and recognize the maintenance service here. Finally, here the index or the vehicle index date is placed here, and the maintenance place, it can be in our organizations or in our garage, or if it is difficult or we can send to the external garage. So we select here, and the date which the maintenance will finish he is placed here. So this is recorded by inspection team. Okay, up to this the inspection team should be recorded. And next, the scheduling and the workshop team are doing with each others. That means all groups or all categories are used this Google Sheet, and also they are seeing or recording at the same time while this free platform is displayed at the same time for all groups. And the scheduling team is writes or selects the workshop. It can be the mechanical workshop, it can be electrical workshop, it can be a body engine, and also machines. So he selects the mechanical workshop if the maintenance is related to the brake system, suspension system, and also gearbox. So the vehicle chassis number can be written here, and he selects or he assigns as a person who maintain that specific or specified jobs for that maintenance. And the standard time for that job is recorded here. For example, it can be 2 hours. If it is 2 hours, the schedulers is right here the time required to finish that job, and the spare part or the materials used for that maintenance is written here. For example, it can be oil, air cleaner, and the quantity of that spare part also written here. So this is generally doing by schedulers, and the workshop team is requests those spare parts. The mechanic inspects and also repair that specific job is identifies the spare part which is required for the specific maintenance. So after the quantity is identified, the spare part number also recorded here. Spare part number is recorded, and if it is available in our stock, we have to be request the stock to out those spare parts. If it is not in our stock, we should be request for buying. If the mechanic is received, we select the received one. If he is not received, we select the not received here. And finally, after the all jobs or all the maintaining service is completed, we select the completed option here. If it is under progress up to finish time, we select the in progress item here. And if it is for approval, we can select pending, and also other options are available. Finally, the other category is cost analysis. Here, if you consider this, the job order or the identified code or code is displayed here automatically when the inspection team is recorded at that place, and the plate number also displayed automatically, and the spare part cost is written here by cost analysis person, and the income from that cost is outputted here automatically. And finally, the hour or the actual hour which our employers had used is recorded here, and it is converted to the cost, the income. Okay, finally from this cost and from the income, total cost and the total income are calculated here, and finally the profit is placed here. Okay, this is very an important progress to display the maintenance of our vehicles. If you consider here this pie chart, this green area is looking for the finished vehicles, and the red part is under progress for maintenance, and the yellow one is the already finished but it is waiting for approval. So like this we can control our maintenance progress by using this Google Sheet. Simply, it is very simple and it is very cheap method, and here we can consider our costs, our incomes, and also our profit from this chart, and this analysis also very important. Finally, if you want to analyze the cost of single vehicles, or the repetition of a single vehicles, you can use this drop down plate number, and you can see here the plate number of these vehicles, how much it is repeated, and also how much cost is out for it, and how much costs or profit, total income for each vehicle. We can here we can use this the output cost analysis to calculate the repetition cost of that vehicle. Okay, I am finishing my presentation here. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will show you with next video how to prepare this templates, and also I will send you the templates of this plat. The comment and subscribe, and also share this video to get another video when I upload it. Thank you.